Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that combines principles of chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics to efficiently use, produce, design, transport, and transform energy and materials. It plays a vital role in various industries, including pharmaceuticals, energy, food and beverage, materials, and environmental sectors. Chemical engineering focuses on the development and optimization of processes that convert raw materials into valuable products. These processes are crucial for producing everyday items such as fuels, plastics, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. By applying principles of chemistry and engineering, chemical engineers design and operate equipment and processes that ensure safe, efficient, and sustainable production. The chemical engineering workflow typically involves several stages, starting with research and development, where new processes and products are conceptualized. This is followed by process design, where engineers create detailed plans for manufacturing processes, including the selection of equipment and materials. Once the design is finalized, the process moves to the pilot plant stage, where small-scale versions of the processes are tested. Finally, the process is scaled up to full production, where chemical engineers oversee the operation and optimization of the plants. Chemical engineering has a wide range of applications that significantly impact our daily lives. In the pharmaceutical industry, chemical engineers develop and produce medications, ensuring they are safe and effective. In the energy sector, they design processes for refining petroleum, producing biofuels, and developing sustainable energy sources like hydrogen and solar power. In the food industry, chemical engineers work on food preservation, flavor enhancement, and packaging solutions to ensure food safety and quality. Now, let's look at the future of chemical engineering. The field is constantly evolving, and several trends are shaping its future. One significant trend is the move towards sustainable and green engineering practices. Chemical engineers are developing processes that minimize waste, reduce energy consumption, and use renewable resources. This shift is driven by the need to address environmental challenges and create a more sustainable future. Green chemistry, which focuses on designing products and processes that reduce or eliminate hazardous substances, is becoming increasingly important. By using alternative materials and innovative processes, chemical engineers are making significant strides in reducing the environmental impact of chemical production. Biotechnology and nanotechnology are also transforming chemical engineering. Biotechnology involves using living organisms and biological processes to develop new products and technologies, such as biofuels, bioplastics, and pharmaceuticals. Nanotechnology, on the other hand, deals with materials and processes at the nanoscale, enabling the creation of new materials with unique properties and applications. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are revolutionizing the chemical engineering field. AI can optimize processes, predict equipment failures, and improve product quality, while automation enables more efficient and safer operations. These technologies are enhancing the capabilities of chemical engineers, allowing for greater precision and innovation. Ethical engineering and safety practices are paramount in chemical engineering. Ensuring that processes and products are safe for both people and the environment is a core responsibility of chemical engineers. This includes adhering to stringent safety standards, conducting thorough risk assessments, and continuously improving safety measures. In summary, chemical engineering is a dynamic and essential field that plays a critical role in our modern world. Its applications are vast, and its future is promising, driven by advancements in green chemistry, biotechnology, nanotechnology, AI, and automation. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we are committed to keeping you informed about the latest trends and developments in engineering and technology. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. See you next time.